Hello, I am Joshua P. Warren, and this is the mysterious Buddha stone. It's beautiful, it's iridescent, and some believe this is the most powerful manifestation stone in the world. I use mine every single day for different wishes. And look what happened when I recently placed a Buddha stone on top of a Van de Graaff electrostatic generator. Isn't that amazing? Just look at that plasma discharge that comes off of this thing. And the more I experimented with these Buddha stones, the more I started to sort of expose them to different lights before I would place a wish, to see if somehow that would charge this stone and whatever process is at work here. And eventually I found that I absolutely love this infinite tunnel of light. You see that effect? It looks like it's a tunnel leading off into a portal to another dimension. And so I call this the portal plate. And so what I like to do is take my stone and put it on the portal plate, and I'll pick a light setting that is appropriate for whatever I'm trying to accomplish with that particular wish. And I charge it for about 5 minutes on this plate, and then after that, I place my wish. If you want to get all the details behind exactly what these are, best we can tell, and how I use mine, just listen to the audio at thebuddhastone.com. I forget how long, but it's pretty lengthy, and it gives you the story behind these. And I still don't know exactly who makes these, but wait till you hear what these are made of. So all the information is there. This is what I call the Buddha Stone Money Magnet and Happiness Kit. And so I have a small selection of these Buddha stones and these portal plates. And so if you place an order, it will go into the mail and ship to you immediately. But I figured I would throw in a free bonus or two for you, because I know how exciting it is to order something cool, but then, it's frustrating having to wait even a few days for something to arrive in the mail. So as soon as you place your order, you are instantly going to receive some links to some just wild free ebooks. And you can start reading these as PDFs immediately on your cell phone, any tab, or your laptop. For example, I have mine on an Amazon Kindle. This is one of the books that you're going to get. How to get what you want. How to get what you want. And this book, believe it or not, is 336 pages long. You are also going to receive this other ebook, and this is a controversial one. The Book of Forbidden Knowledge. Yeah, the Book of Forbidden Knowledge. This is 36 pages, and it's a juicy 36 pages. I mean, some of the stuff you're going to learn about in these free ebooks is the force that moves mountains and how to attract prosperity. Or how about this, lucky and unlucky days, or using magic to recover stolen goods, or talismans for love, or talismans against enemies, the way to get rich, how to hypnotize others, how to be a medium. It just goes on and on and on. So talk about some cool free bonuses that you will instantly receive as automated emails when you place your order. How to get what you want, and the Book of Forbidden Knowledge. So, here's what that means. When you order the kit, you will receive the following. You will get the Buddha stone. You will get the portal plate with batteries. You're going to receive complete instructions from me on what this is and how to use it. And you're also going to receive your free instant ebooks, How to Get What You Want, and the Book of Forbidden Knowledge I think that's a pretty amazing package, and that is the Buddha Stone Money Magnet and Happiness Kit. So, good luck getting your hands on one of these. I look forward to hearing your success stories. Go to thebuddhastone.com, and you also might find them listed in the Curiosity Shop at joshuapwarren.com. Try one of those places, and be sure to listen to all the audio there for the whole complete backstory. All right, thank you for watching, and until next time, may the Force be with you.